Hey, what's up guys? It's me again, edwoodyward, and for today's video, pasensya na sa madumi kong kamay kasi kumalikot ako ng mountain bike ko. For today's video unboxing, it's about what I bought or all the things I bought from Lazada and Shopee dun sa nakaraang 11/11 sale. So these are the 11/11 haul unboxing. So first up, we have the bike chain breaker. So part siya ng tool kit na nabili ko for about 337 pesos. So ayan, mukha naman siyang sturdy. And I haven't tried this before. Actually, first time ko gagamit ng bike chain breaker. Ayan. So sana magandang klase at matibay. Now, let's move on to the next item. This one is the free wheel cogs or cassette remover. So to use this, kailangan mo lang ng chain whip to hold the cogs or cassette. Then you just have to turn it. Tapos yan, yung lock ring niya ma-unthread siya for the free hub. Tapos you just have to lift the cassette upward. Next, we have the bottom bracket remover, which is a very essential tool lalo kung nagkukumpuni ka or you just like to fix your own bike, tapos kalikot, gusto mo magpalit ng crankset or crank arm. So this is really essential. Ayan, this is the other part of the bottom bracket. Hopefully, it's matibay. So next up that I purchased is yung chain ring. So this will be my first time placing a chain ring sa aking crankset. So this one measures 104 BCD. Then it's a round chain ring. Hopefully it's compatible dun sa crankset na binili ko. It has a narrow wide teeth, which is perfect kung nag one by ka na setup. Kasi you don't need the front derailleur to hold the chain or worry kung nag-worry ka na makalas ba siya or something. Ayan. Okay, let's move forward. Ito na ang ating crankset. So for the crankset, I bought it for kano ba siya? 1,518. Wala pa dyan yung shipping. This one is the bottom bracket. Ayan. Then ang trademark niya is actually medyo generic siya eh. Ang nakalagay lang is IXF. And it's made of alloy and aluminum. So this one is a crank and bottom bracket set. The bottom bracket type pala is Halotech. That's what they said sa label. Yeah, and this one is the crank. And medyo yung finish niya hindi ganun ka-polish. So I might, sand this a bit para lang hindi siya matalas dun sa edge. Ngayon, i-check natin kung kasya. Yes, perfect. Kasya siya. Nice. Ayan. Then, the other arm, IXF. So, Chinese, semi-generic branding you have there. Right, next up, we have yung spanner or yung crank wrench. Then, the other tools. This one is yung cover doon sa crank. So, may pedal. Then, bumili din ako ng bike stand. So right now, ang presyo niya is 180. Tapos sa 12-12, bababa siya ng 165. Pero nabili ko yung akin ng 11-11 ng 175. Tapos, bumili din ako ng thread locker or nut lock. So, for about 162 pesos and 36 cents. Ngayon, ang presyo niya is around 198. Pero most likely, sa 12-12, pababa din siya. So, I'm gonna need this para dun sa chainring ko and pagkabit sa crankset. Alright, so remaining parts here is yung nut that I need for the chainring crankset. And that's it, guys. That's all I have to say. So don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This is edwoodyward, and I will see you all in the next video.